Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can highlight your text in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go to library here, and then I am going to add this color. You can add any color that you'd like to. I'm just going to also mask it, add mask, rectangle, and then I'm just going to adjust it here like this. Go back to basic and then go to the blend mode section and adjust the opacity or select overlay here. And then after that, here I just made the opacity a little bit lighter. And then I'm going to go to right click, create compound clip, go back to mask, add another mask, and then select the, wait, why isn't the compound clip showing? There we go. Why isn't it showing? You know what? I'll add in another one here. Hello. Okay, like that, and then I'll add another one here. I don't know why it's not giving. I might freeze frame the clip actually. And then I will right click, create compound clip. Hopefully, okay. I don't know why that's doing that, but you're going to add split to it. There we go. And then I'm going to add a keyframe in the mask section. There we go. Then like right about here, I'm just going to drag it to the right. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.